these little things right here. Standard safety glasses. You want to check them all. I think it's pretty much standard anymore, but they've all got this little code kind of right here. You can see it on the inside there. I think it says RZ87 Plus. That's this little thing. And let you know that they're actually safe and they'll actually, like, you know, stop something. But here's the thing. Like, you look at these yellow ones and you're like, why would anybody want the yellow ones? Like, it's dreary today. It's kind of half raining and it's just nasty. But then you put these things on. Oh man. It's like a bright, sunshiny day. Dude, I'm ready to go. It's like I'm telling you, it's like a psychological thing. Like, your brain is picking up a different light spectrum. Like, I'm not a scientist, I don't know this stuff. I'm just telling you. It makes a dreary day look nice. At least. So if you have to be outside and it's a little bit dreary, don't go for the sunglasses, man. Go for the high-vis yellows. Brighten up your day. You'll feel better for it. See you next time. If you're into remodeling, redecorating, or completely transforming your home and garden, then please consider subscribing to this channel and give that notification bell a quick click so you can stay updated with all our most recent content releases. And head on over to our website where we have articles, videos, and other resources to help you transform your home and garden. Check out the links I put in the show description for easy access to the site. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.